What's going on, Rockstars? We are in the Caprice, and we are getting in and out.
Team Pickle Stacks. We're Team Pickle Stacks.
Team Pickle Stacks is going animal style, if you know what we're saying. And this car has a lot of torque. S2000 owners don't really know what this feels like, but it feels pretty good.
We're doing a race, kind of like Top Gear. We're gonna go to In and Out. We go to In and Out pretty often, and we're gonna race Team Pickle Stacks right here. We're gonna race how long it takes to get there.
Team Pickle Stacks.
We have a little more.
Oh shit!
A little more power.
That's smooth Australian V8 horsepower, right? American. It's a tag team effort, just like we are.
So we do have a big order, but I think we can do it in line.
Yeah, we got like 8 people total to get food for. Nobody ever wants food, and then the one day you go to In and Out, everybody wants food.
Yeah. Let's see if we can do it. I'd say it's gonna take us at least 30 minutes. We'll see how long.
We'll see. If we can do it under 30 minutes, I think that'd be like quick.
We clocked out 12:17. Let's see.
That's a stretch. It just really depends on how busy In and Out is, and judging, I don't know, what is it, like 12 something? Peak time at Saturday.
Oh, GTR.
GTR? Oh, did you see the GTR? This is my first time doing a vlog camera work.
Almost got it. Almost got it. Woo! Crossfire.
Alright, Rockstar, so we will update you shortly once we're at In and Out. How do you do this? Alright, guys, this is like the movie. What's
Wait
that?
a minute.
What's that
Where's
movie?
it now? What's happening?
What's going on over there?
Why are there so many police cars?
Oh,
Nope.
just our luck, you know.
I guess we park over here and walk over there.
In this heat? I don't know. Why is it blocked off? We don't know what's going over there, or what's going on over there, Rockstars, but looks pretty serious.
I think I brought my gun.
Somebody went animal style in real life. This is a professional right here. Alright, let's see what's going on.
These people right here.
What's it called? Dave's Hot Chicken? Dave's? I think it's Dave's Hot Chicken.
I got my food for lunch, Rockstars. I'm hungry.
Is that Billy? We're gonna boost so much.
DOT approved. Alrighty, Rockstars, Team Pickle Stacks here.
Pickle Stacks.
As you can see from the board behind me, it's pretty official. I mean, when you write it on a whiteboard, it's, I don't know about you, Stack, but it's pretty official,
I
right?
agree, yeah.
So Team Pickle Stacks with a heart, because we love you guys. 39 minutes. So, take that as a baseline. We did have...
Somebody had to do it.
Yeah.
Somebody had to do it.
We did have to order for about 8 or 9 different people. Those 8 or 9 different people had 3x3s, 2x3s, double doubles, grilled onions,
Special fries.
all the works.
Drinks.
If you know what I mean. Like, we went full animal style on animal style.
Not to mention that little police altercation we ran into.
That's right. We almost got shot
weird.
too.
It
So,
was like
I mean,
Auto.
with all the orders, almost getting shot, I mean, under 40 minutes there and back, ordered. I mean,
Pickle Stacks.
Pickle Stacks. I mean, that's stacks of pickles right there. Hey, actually, Rockstars, do you let us know too? We're gonna have to create some sort of like order to quantity ratio to kind of put that 39 minutes into perspective. You know, like Call of Duty has a kill death ratio.
Yeah. Order time ratio.
Order time ratio. So we're gonna do the math. Let us know. Send us some equations. DM us. Oh, anyway. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you thought of this video, Rockstar. Just thought we'd do something a little bit different for you. Create some fun content just to keep you entertained. James and Johnny are going to be replicating this. They're going to be making their own run, but just keep in mind, they're probably not going to order for anybody else. And we ordered for like almost 10 people.
We should probably order that day anyways, just to make it...
You know what? Yeah, we'll make it even. We'll make them make, you know,
so
make
it'll be
it
at least four orders, half the order.
Like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell so that way you can see Johnny and James. See if they can beat the 39-minute record-breaking time. I mean, that's, at the moment, that's technically like a world first record, right?
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much for watching, Rockstars. Team Pickle Stacks.
Pickle Stacks!
We will see you, Stacks of Pickles, on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Alrighty, guys.